Want to make this adorable boho Christmas decor for only a few dollars? Grab a wooden canvas, yarn, and dollar store paint. Paint the inside of the canvas red, tape it off, and paint the frame white. Then get busy making tassels. Take a piece of yarn and wrap it around your hand maybe 15-16 times. Take another piece of yarn, tie the top. I usually double knot it to hold everything in place. Then smooth it out and you make the top of the tassel. Tie another piece of yarn around, knot it, and then wrap it around in one direction, wrap it around in the other direction, and double knot it again. Then cut the loops at the bottom and give it a little trim. That's it. Now it's time to start assembling the picture. So I started with a little piece of wood that I had. I just hot glued it to the bottom middle, and then I started with the bottom row of tassels. I put 5 of them at the bottom, and I just put a little bit of glue on the top of the tassels. When I had my bottom rung done, I started to do another layer. I used my first row was white tassels, and then I changed it to green, but you can keep it all the same color if you want, or you can change. I just put glue at the top of my tassels to keep the look kind of loose and flowy, but you could be more precise and add glue to the bottom of the tassels too if that's something you're interested in. So as you can see, I just kept going, layering one at a time, one row at a time, and at the end I added a couple of red berries to the top of my picture, but you could add anything that you want, or you could leave it plain. It'd be cute with like a little star or maybe a bell, but like I said, I used a couple of red berries just to keep it nice and clean. But that's it. Cute, right? To finish off my frame, I added a little hanger to the back. I used beads on a piece of yarn, and then I secured it with popsicle sticks just to make it extra strong, a little bit of glue to hold it down, and then the popsicle stick. I like the look of the beads, but if you wanted to keep it simple, you could just use a plain piece of twine and apply it the same way, but I think this looks really good. What do you think? For more great ideas, visit my blog, follow me on social media, and hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.